Senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram took a dig at the government on Tuesday over the repeal of the farm laws without a debate in Parliament, saying, "Long live debateless parliamentary democracy." Parliament on Monday passed the bill to repeal the three contentious agricultural laws at the centre of protests by farmers for over a year, with the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha giving their approval in quick succession amid an uproar on the first day of the winter session without any discussion. In a tweet, Chidambaram said that ahead of Parliament session, the Prime Minister offered to debate on any issue, and on the first day and on the first item of business, the farm bills were repealed without a debate. The former Union Minister tweeted, "The Agriculture Minister's logic to deny a debate was baffling." He said, "When the government and the opposition agree, there is no need for a debate." The farm bills were passed without a debate when the two sides did not agree, and they were repealed without a debate when two sides agreed, Chidambaram said, adding that whichever way, there was no debate.